Hi there guys, today I'll be looking at the Leynatic Bluetooth headphones. They are compatible with most Bluetooth enabled devices. I've got the white pair in front of me. It is a very compact box, as you can see. They do come in black and white. The price for these is £14.99. As you can see inside the box, we've got the additional ear tips, the sports tips I can say. You can see the micro USB cable, and there's this additional clip, I guess, to clip onto your clothes. The headphones are snugly laid into the box. As you can see, it does take some effort to take them out of the box. After you lay them on the table, as you can see, their wire, the additional wire, is pretty long. I would say it does seem like it's a pretty good length. The buttons are very clear and easy to single out. It is bigger than I thought. They are very similar to the Apple AirPods, I must say. The additional tips are quite nice looking actually. I think they will come into use eventually when I do use them for the gym. I have a pair of AirPods and I do not think I'll be using them very often. As you can see, the micro USB cable is not so long, and this additional clip, if you do use it, will come in handy to make sure it clips onto your clothes. Now I'm going to do a real-time synchronization with my iPhone 10 and start playing some music, and we'll see how that goes. I will be playing two songs. The initial song will be David Bowie, Sound Control, and the second song will be a song by Nicki Minaj, Barbie, I believe.